No one word says quality like Craftsman. Craftsman bandsaws have been around, they've been manufactured for quite a while, and there is a wide variety of them. We stock a Craftsman Guide Upgrade Kit that'll fit on most Craftsman saws, but we have to see what the customer has, and there might have to be some pictures back and forth. A lot of those Craftsman saws are kind of custom fit. We also stock the rubber band wheel tires and the urethane tires for it, and we have a full line of bandsaw blades that go on the Craftsman saw. So when you call Sawblade.com, our customer service, we've heard a lot of the Craftsman problems before, a lot of the issues, and we can kind of put together a custom-made guide kit for you. And also, depending on what you're cutting, you can say, I'm cutting this wood. We know what fits better. You simply add to cart, click, we ship.